friends. I am on my way to Alamo Lake State Park, a lake in the Sonoran Desert. It's actually a reservoir because it's from a dam, but it's surrounded by BLM land. So I'm going to camp just outside the park on BLM land. I'm going to make my famous Cajun boil with scallops. It's going to be very pleasant tonight, about 60 degrees overnight. It'll be clear with a very young moon that sets early, so we should have very nice dark skies, and this should be a lot of fun. So I am driving through a very vast swath of BLM land, and as you may know, you can camp anywhere on BLM land without a permit, and just any spot you like. Just pull off, find a spot, and camp. And it's really nice because there's a lot of very beautiful BLM land in the western United States. There's gorgeous places to camp, and it's for free. Guys, this really concerns me. Look at that stranded boat. We really have to do something about this climate change. Here's a gorgeous view, and that sharp peak over there is really interesting. This park is gorgeous. I was expecting it to be a flat desert, but it's mountainous. It's beautiful. Okay, I just got my camp spot. It's right in this area. So here's the campground that I'm going through. And it was pretty good actually. For tent only, it's only $15. So that's not bad. This is a gorgeous area. Here's the Alamo Dam to my left. I'll show you. It is 970 feet long. Let's go to the top over there and get a view. This park has wild burros. I heard them braying earlier, and look at this. They've come into my campground before, my campsite, which is right here. That's where I'm camping today. So I gotta be careful where I step. But I'm putting my tent right near this tree here. Right there. I set up my tent. I couldn't stake it in because the ground is very hard, so I had to tie guy lines to rocks, and the wind is going to be between 20 and 25 miles an hour tonight. But the tent is solid. The guy lines are doing their jobs. I got my fire going very quickly. Now, while that's burning down to coals, I'm going to prepare this soup. The Cajun boil. 1 green pepper. Zucchini. And we have 4 Brussels sprouts, halved. 1 leek. One big garlic clove. Love garlic. 1 ear of corn. And that's it. Now for the Cajun seasoning. Okay, here's the Cajun boil seasoning. Let's give a generous amount because I like it spicy. There we go. Add water. So I'm going to bring this to boil for about 10 minutes, and then at the very last minute add the scallops. I have 5 scallops because those don't need to cook long. It takes like a minute and a half or so. So let me put this on the fire. Okay, I'm going to put this on the fire. Add some wood on the side to give it stability. And after it's finished boiling, we'll throw in scallops for a minute and then it'll be done. That donkey is pretty close. I'd say about 200 feet or so. Oh, he heard me. Okay, let's throw in the scallops. I dropped one in the dirt. Shit! Oh, this is lost. Okay, 4 scallops instead of 5. So our soup is ready. I'm going to cut this avocado and then go get this Cajun boil. I brought an avocado and a dill pickle for indulgence. Here we are. Let me show you what it looks like. There's the soup. It smells great. Okay, here's the taste test. Wow, that is delicious. Oh, and very spicy, just the way I like it. Holy cow. Man, that hit the spot. There's some avocado with that. Avocado is not quite ripe, but it'll do. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Please take a moment to subscribe, share, and like. It really helps the channel. Here's the corn. I'm going to put it out so it can cool a little. corn should be very delicious. Our water is boiling, so let's pick it up and bring it to the table to drink. And I am actually going to pour it into this other cup because the cup won't be hot. This cup that I boiled it in is hot, so I can't put my lips to it. There we go. And now let's have some tea and raspberries. Cheers, my friends. Raspberries, yum. Oh, that's good. It's very quiet here now. I have neighbors, but they're not making any noise. It's about 60 degrees. The stars are out, the moon is out. I'm going to take some star pictures later and some time lapses I'll show you. There's a donkey. Hi, guy. Well, guys, it is midnight and I'm getting sleepy, so I'm gonna hit the sack. So good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is 8 o'clock. I got up at 7:30, laid in bed for a while. It is a gorgeous morning. I got the fire going, and I put the tea on. Should be ready in a couple of minutes. I'm going to have some tea and granola for breakfast, and then I'll go start my day. Well, the sun is coming out. It's warming up. It got down to 55 overnight. Not cold at all. It was a gorgeous night. The wind died down last night after sunset, and this morning it picked up a little, but it's not as fierce as it was yesterday when I was setting up my tent. I'm having cranberry almond maple granola. It says ancient grain. Yeah, right. Well, guys, this is the end of my adventure here at Alamo Lake State Park. Please share, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.